The final task of the purchase order request process is for the warehouse manager to verify that the goods that were ordered by the manager have now been received into the warehouse. The manager logs onto ProcessMaker, opens the case, and reviews the information. He can also open the original purchasing document if he wishes. Finally, the warehouse manager simply needs to confirm if the goods were received or not. When he chooses yes, we reach the end of the case in this process, which has demonstrated how we can track a purchase of items all the way from beginning to end.